These are the lifts at the International Terminal, Brisbane Airport. Nidec.
Going down.
Maintained by Schindler. Stopping at 2.
Level 2. Doors open.
They have dot matrix outside, which is nice. But big jumbo Dewhurst ones. Might take a while.
Doors closing.
It's so busy, oh my god.
Going down.
$2,000 seconds, 26.
Level 1. Doors opening.
And then this morning.
Doors closing. Doors opening.
Oh my god, finally got the other one.
Going down.
This is ridiculously busy, these new lifts. I'm gonna get one right on this wing.
Level 1. Going up.
Oh my god, it's ridiculous.
Level 2.